Today we have a special unboxing, and that's going to be on the Rigorer Reaves AR1. Now this is a very special sneaker to me, and let's go ahead and get right into it. Bam! As you can see, this is the Milky Way colorway in the AR1 with Rigorer and Reaves. Now I gotta give my first impressions on it. The colorway is absolutely phenomenal, and being that I'm a huge Lakers fan, the purple really pops. Now one thing I'm gonna say that I'm very excited about is the fact that he has his own signature sneaker brand with Rigorer, and he also signed an extension after he sold a whole year's worth of sneakers. But this colorway right here, the Milky Way colorway, is my favorite one, and I got these as a Christmas gift from Josh, my fiance. And man, I was so excited that I couldn't even wait to do the review. I had to wear these already. Now, one thing that I will tell you is the purple is beautiful. You get a bunch of different purple shades around this entire sneaker, along with the teal. Now it does kind of remind me of like a Barney color, because you have like that kind of tealish green and then you have purple. That reminds me of Barney for some reason, but this colorway is the Milky Way colorway. And after seeing Austin hoop in these, I think that this was the one that I really wanted the most out of all the colorways that he's dropped. Another one that was really nice was actually the ShowTime colorway, which was the black upper. You had the touches of yellow and purple to match the ShowTime Lakers, and of course the white sole. This one right here is the all purple colorway that I really think is probably the best one that released. So as you can see, the top is a very flexible material. I really like that. So when you're hooping on the court, you're gonna have a lot of flexibility and movement. Moving on to the side, you're gonna see this kind of like Target logo right here. This is the first thing that caught my eye when I touched on the sneaker, and it's like this really soft material. Not really sure what this is for, but it's kind of like a rubberized material. It's kind of nice just to have, I guess. It's a nice thing to touch on the court. I mean, when you're hooping. And you're gonna see a bunch of different spots of paint going on throughout the entire upper. And then you're gonna see like a wavy kind of move going throughout this actual sole. And I really like those touches. One thing you're gonna notice on the actual outer sole is like a little bit of glitter. That's one thing that took me back a little bit, but it wasn't gonna draw me completely out of this colorway. But you just had a lot of glitter going throughout this entire sneaker, and I really didn't like the glitter, but this actually has a nice touch to it because of the colorway being the Milky Way. So it kind of reminds you of like stars and stuff like that. Now you go ahead and move on the inside, and you're gonna see the Reaves signature right there. More purple going throughout the sneaker, more of those paint spots that I told you about. And there's like this little oval spot right here where on previous versions of his AR1s, it would say "I'm him," which is his like notorious saying when he was on the court and he hit like, I think, a game winner or something like that. And then you're gonna see another one of those teal pods going on right there. Now you're gonna move on to the tongue. You're gonna see that Target logo, and it's gonna say Reaves. You got purple laces, and there is an A right here on the right sneaker, and the other one is R for AR. And of course on this tongue, another detail is that it looks kind of like Boost pellets, like those Boost foam pellets going on right here, and that's to protect your foot when you tighten up your laces. Now, like I said, this colorway is really out there, and I really do like this purple colorway. You're gonna see right here on the back that it has an A and an R for AR15, which is Reaves, and his number is 15. Overall, the sneaker kind of looks a little bulky, but in reality, when you go ahead and put it on foot, which I've already done, it's actually a really comfortable sneaker. I think the one thing I can complain about is right here, it really does cut into my foot. But what I will say is that this is true to size. So if you are a size 11 like I am, go with a size 11. The fit is perfect. But for me, I don't know if it's because my right foot is a little bit bigger, that this cuts in a little bit into my upper of my foot. So that's the only note I can say, but besides that, it's actually a pretty comfortable sneaker. But overall, I gotta give this a 10 out of 10, guys, because it is a really beautiful silhouette. The colors, they really pop, and I really like the storytelling with these sneakers. And of course, I really like Reaves as a player. These all combine together to make the perfect signature sneaker for me. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and please be sure to share. Joel2TV, out.
you.